Hola, buenos dias. Today I'd like to tell you some funny Espanol. The word for funny is chistoso. Doesn't that sound nice? Chistoso. Sounds like cheese toast. Is cheese toast funny? Chistoso. And what it's going to be about is la pronunciación español. All right, of la letra J. That's the letter J. J. The letter J makes a H sound. So if you want to laugh in Espanol, it's not ha ha ha. That is actually a. It's ha ha ha. So to laugh in Espanol, do it with la letra J. Ha ha ha. If you do don't you sound like a chimpanzee or a seal? Let me tell you the words for chimpanzee and for seal. Chimpanzee is easy, it's chimpanzee, and a seal is una foca. So you can tell your friends, your amigos, I don't want to sound like un chimpanzee. I don't want to sound like una foca. So I'm going to laugh like this, ha ha ha, not like this, or like this, So remember the two words for those animales because they're nice, chimpanzee y foca. But that's not what we're focusing on today. We're focusing on the sound made by the letter J, which is a H sound. So it's funny to laugh. It's always funny to laugh. Ha ha ha. If I want to relax, I want to relajar. So imagine that you are with somebody who's always giving you little jobs and you're laughing because you never get the chance to relajar. And you're going to say, Quiero relajajajajar. Quiero relajar. Or if you want to say that you want an orange, then the word for orange is lovely. I'll tell you about the evolution, la evolución of the letter of the word orange in English, because according to a book I just listened to, an orange used to be a norange, but a norange evolved into a norange. And I like that because the word en español is una naranja, and norange is closer to naranja than it is to orange on its own. So una naranja. If you're completely out of fruit and you're laughing because of the pain and you're saying quiero una naranja. So what I'd like you to do today is to practicar, maybe record yourself, be silly, say quiero. Quiero means I want, you know that, right? Quiero relajajajar. Quiero una naranja. Be silly with it and teach people. That's the other thing I want you to do. Teach people. I learned the words for two animales en español, un chimpancé y una foca. Teaching people helps get la información into your own head. Come back mañana because mañana is a great lesson. We're going to be doing I want to drink with you. With me? Yes, with you. With me? Yes, with you. It's a really nice lesson. So I will see you then. Now, see you then is hasta entonces. Because it might not be mañana. You might want to do it right now. You might want to do it in 2 days. So see you then is hasta entonces. Hasta entonces. Adiós.